Create a website your way. All-inclusive website hosting with free SSL certificates, a free website builder by Weebly, one-click install WordPress, a free domain, and 99.9% uptime. All backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. Currently 60% off at $1.99 per month. Regularly $4.49 per mo. Get started. Website hosting for every skill level. Whether you're starting a blog or building a business, we've got a plan that's perfect for you. Diamond Suit most popular Diamond Suit Power Plan. All-inclusive hosting. 1. Free domain name. 2. Free SSL and Site Lock Lite. 3. Free website builder, powered by Weebly. 4. Free one-click install WordPress. 5. Unlimited websites, domains and email. Starting at just $1.99 per mo. Get started. Power Plan Plus. Optimized for WordPress. 1. Free domain name. 2. Free trusted SSL and Site Lock Lite. 3. Free one-click WordPress. 4. Optimized high-power servers. 5. Automated and anytime site backups. Starting at just $2.99 per mo. Get started. Need more power than a shared hosting environment can provide? Check out our VPS hosting. Everything you need to build a site. Our all-inclusive hosting can help you design, cultivate, and promote your website. Free domain name. Claim your own unique domain name free for the first year with any web hosting pad hosting plan. Free website builder. Design a professional and responsive website in minutes with one of our free no-code builders. Professional email. Create unlimited email addresses at your domain with free spam filtering, auto-repsonders, and more. Free SSL encryption. Build customer trust and encrypt private data with free SSL certificates on every hosting plan. E-commerce ready. Choose from popular e-commerce storefronts, add products and prices, and start selling online. 99.9% uptime guarantee. We closely monitor our servers to ensure your website is always up and running when you need it to be. Free analytics tools. All of our plans come with free tools to help you track, analyze, and improve your website's performance. One-click WordPress. Start using WordPress to design, update, and market your website with only a click. Available on all plans. Scalable plan structure. Our hosting plans are designed to support you as you grow, from just starting out to success story. Create a website. Get started right away with one of our free website builders. No coding required. With thousands of beautiful and mobile-ready templates, drag-and-drop technology, and SEO tools, building a website has never been this easy. Get started.